Assalamu alaikum. Good morning. Welcome back to my channel once again. This is gold chart. Gold is trading almost 1789 after making lows around 1782. Yesterday, US Richmond Manufacturing Index and CB Consumer Confidence numbers came along with the US new home sales numbers, which was better than expected, and those numbers put pressure in gold prices. And as you can see, gold has crashed from 1800 to 1782. Currently it is trading 1789. It has entered in weak zone since it crashed from 1800 to 1780. Our support was 1792. If you have watched my yesterday's video, you must be knowing that. So now it is in 1792 have broken. So let's quickly find out what is the resistance and what is the trend today. As you can see on your screen now, 1796 will act as resistance now. Once market breaks 1796 and sustain above that level, then only it will enter in positive zone. Otherwise, gold is looking weak. Support at 1778. Fresh selling may occur if market breaks 1778 and sustain below that level. Below 1778, we might see 1770 and even 1760 is also possible. Let's move on to silver. Yesterday, if you have watched my video, I have given a support of 2420. This is 2420. It crashed below 2420 and tested around 2388. Currently, it is surviving above $24. So let's have a look at resistance and support. Trend is clear, it is weak. Current resistance stands at 2425. If market break 2425 and sustain above that level, then only silver will enter in positive zone. Above 2425, it could test up to 2450 and 2480. Major support at 2370. Below 2370, silver could test up to 2350 and even 2320 is also possible. Currently, gold and silver both are in weak zone, so trade accordingly. Let's move on to crude oil, and you can check Mcx levels at the end of the video. Currently, crude oil is trading 83.50. Finally, it entered in positive zone. Yesterday, it was trading in weak zone. So, what is the resistance and what is the support? Let's find out. 82.50 will act as support in crude oil today. If market break 82.50 and sustain below that level, then only crude oil will enter in weak zone. Otherwise, it is looking pretty positive as of now. However, a strong resistance at 84.50. If crude oil break and sustain above 84.50, expect $86 and even $87 is also possible in crude oil prices. Let's move on to euro and pound, then we will see Mcx levels. This is euro. Yesterday it had entered in positive zone, but the main dollar index has ditched the euro and finally it crashed. Currently it is again surviving above 1600. What is the resistance and what is the support? Let's find out. 1620 will act as resistance. If market breaks 1620 and sustain above that level, then only it will enter in positive zone. However, a very strong support at 1570. If euro break 1570 and sustain below that level, then expect 1550 and even 1530 is also possible. As you can see, euro trend is in weak territory, so trade accordingly. Let's move on to pound, which also entered in weak zone. It tested 38.30 I have given you the resistance of 38.40.50 yesterday. It could not break the resistance and finally crashed almost 70 pips from the peak. Currently it is trading at 37.70. So let's have the look of support and resistance today. So 38.05 will act as resistance in pound. If market break 38.05 and sustain above that level, then only it will enter in positive zone. Otherwise it is weak. A very strong support at 37.40. Below 37.40 expect 3700 and even 36.50 is also possible. Currently pound is in weak zone, so trade accordingly. Let's move on to Indian market levels. This is gold. Currently gold is trading 47,786. I am giving MCX levels according to this USD INR prices. Once this close around 5 p.m. I will again refresh the MCX level. You can watch refreshed MCX level in community post by clicking the join button. So currently 47,786, resistance at 47,920, support at 47,610. Silver is trading 65,000. Yesterday silver tried to break the resistance but it could not. Now silver resistance at 65,550. Yes. And the support at 64,100. If you want to see Nifty and Bank Nifty levels as well, please do leave the comment. I will include from tomorrow. And of course, if you haven't joined my streaming channel where I stream in Hindi, Urdu and English just before US market opens, you can subscribe that channel and get the video and levels in Hindi, Urdu as well. That channel link is in description. And also follow me on Twitter and Telegram. Yesterday when data came, first I updated on Telegram and Twitter. And of course, I also update the effect of the data. What effect it could leave on gold prices and market. So do follow me on Telegram, Twitter and subscribe my streaming channel for Hindi Urdu videos. I will see you in evening stream. Till then, take care. Bye bye.